Well, thank you for coming. If you don't know me, my name is Richard. I Ciao. Ever since 2005, I've been working as an advocate for bullying, helping both adults with workplace bullying and kids such as yourself with bullying. What is bullying to you?
Being bad and not listening to
Okay, very good. So let me say, when I talked to you earlier, I said that I like your shoes, so you know I like your shoes. But if I say to you, I don't like your shoes, they're ugly, is that bullying? If I say that the first time, is that bullying? Well, I'll help you out. Unfortunately, and some people might argue with me on this, but unfortunately, that's not bullying. That's just a disagreement between two people. Bullying is if I constantly, every time I see you at school, I'm constantly commenting on your shoes or your shirt of how ugly they might be or how I dislike them. That's when it becomes bullying, when it's repeated behavior. Here are 5 things you can do, okay, when to prevent bullying, or what you can do, I should say, what you can do once you're being bullied. Stay positive, right? Remember, if you're bullied, to write your event down in some kind of form, and remember to write the date, the time, who the conflict was with, and who are your witnesses, Deborah and your mom. Be prepared if it gets physical, if the bullying gets physical, to dial 911 if you're back in the States, or 112 if you're here in Italy. Create a club like the Lego Club, or join the Lego Club if they have that in your school, and empower yourself. And you also empower yourself by telling other people that you're being bullied. And when you're in school, you should always try to stay in groups of 3 or more, because people that stay in groups of 3 or more are less likely to be bullied by the bully. Thank you for coming. It was a pleasure to meet you again. These shirts for you and your brother to take. You could pick whichever one you want, I guess, because your brother is too small for any of them. And I thank you for coming, and we'll do this again very shortly.